Hello, my name is Pantan. Today I'm going to experiment about flower dissection. At here you can see 5 flowers. All of them is complete flower. Dissection, Hysora flower, hibiscus flower, orange jasmine flower. The equipment of this experiment are scissor, flower, knife and pencil, and blank paper. Next, I'm going to identify the sepal. A sepal was protect the flower in bud from pests. Most of them cannot photosynthesis. Next, we look at a petal. A petal was protect a pistil and stamen when it's young. They usually have beautiful color to help draw good insects for pollination. And then we look at stamen. A stamen was make milk cell, which is the pollen. A pollen was in the anther, which on a filament. This is an anther, and this is a filament. This part is pistil, and pistil has 3 parts. Stigma, style is go down, and ovary is in this one. A stigma helps for reception of pollen. This part is a style. A style reaches to ovary and transports pollen to ovary. Ovary is a seed and ovum is in the ovary. When it's cold, ovary will be a fruit and ovum will be a seed. You see ovum inside ovary. Incomplete flower is defined as a flower missing of its parts, stamen or pistil. Example, incomplete flower are pumpkin, watermelon, papaya, and corn. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.